2024 CR 2594, State of Texas versus Mark Anthony Perez. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
State.
Defense. And are you Mr. Perez? Did you review the document entitled Court Admonishments and Defendants Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand you're charged with injury to the elderly, bodily injury? That's a third-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to
Think about that for a
$10,000.
second. 2 to 10 years behind bars. That's the weight of a third-degree felony. Do you think the plea deal he's about to accept is fair or too lenient? Let me know in the comments.
Up to $10,000 fine.
Yes, Your
Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Honor.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 2 years in the prison. State recommends community supervision. They're taking in consideration County Court Cause number 731618. There's an affirmative finding of a family violence, TAP evaluation, follow those recommendations, mental health evaluation, and follow those recommendations, and no contact
Here
with
comes
one.
the turning point. When the judge asks guilty, not guilty, or no contest, this is a moment that seals his fate. Imagine having your whole future riding on just one word.
With one PETA. Outside the agreement, the state is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 2 years. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow that recommendation?
For sure.
Then to the offenses charge, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? So are we proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, we'd like to, Judge.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Judge, what I can tell you is that Mr. Pettis is under a protective order with his father, that he's been abiding by it. Although there was one minor slip up, his brother actually had to go to his father's. He goes to his brother's house, close to his father's. But he's very, very much aware of what he can and cannot do, and I think he will comply with the condition.
All right. So, do you have any prior mental health issues?
Let's say,
Sure.
before I was incarcerated, my parents, I understand, my mom, me, I was getting, I was getting help, services for my, like, nothing. I was on hospital, the hospital, just, for anxiety. Um, but I didn't get to do that before. Uh, so that's not. He's talking about the day he said when she was having anxiety.
All right. So, other than anxiety, have you ever been diagnosed with anything else?
No.
All right. When's the first time you saw a doctor for mental health issues?
For 2024, I was saying I was in 2021.
So, how old were
Notice
you
how the
then?
judge presses him here? She's not fishing. She's making sure no surprises pop up later. Because in probation, lies today turn into handcuffs tomorrow. Would you come clean if you were in his shoes?
How old were you then?
I was 22,
All right.
26.
Okay. Drug use.
I've been thinking in this 2 years.
Well, whatever. I understand. I'm trying to figure out history here. So, you've been clean for the past 2 years. What have you been clean from?
Alcohol.
And what else? What type of drugs?
I was just smoking marijuana.
All right, so here's the thing. I'm trying to set conditions for you. I don't do cookie cutter conditions because I want people to be successful. But if you're not honest with me about what you use, what's going to end up happening if you'll be sent off in the world unprepared. And then when you come back to court, which you probably will on a motion to revoke, you're going to want to tell me everything about your life at that point. So it's best that you tell me now. So alcohol, marijuana, what else? Okay. All right. Anything else?
No.
All right. I'm going with the alcohol and marijuana. And so nothing else had better come up in your system.
No.
All right. The court is finding you guilty. Do you have any children?
I have one son. He's
All right. And who does he live with?
he lives with his mother.
When's the last time you saw him?
Um, 10 weeks ago.
All right. 3 months ago. All right. Previously stated, court is finding you guilty. The court is going to sentence you to 2 years in the prison, suspended and probated for 3 years. Take in consideration 731618. There's an affirmative finding for family violence. There should be a TAP evaluation in custody. So we'll do a referral to Center for Healthcare Services. So when they give you the referral for Center for Healthcare Services, you had better go.
Yes, ma'am.
Otherwise, what's going to end up happening is you may end up waiting for 30 or 45 days. You understand?
Mr. Chief, let me ask you something.
Sure.
I'm just a person imagine as soon as I'm ready.
All right. There should be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. The UA hotline until further notice. There should be no contact with Juan Perez. There should be no unsupervised contact with minors. 200 hours of community service restitution. I'm going to order parenting classes. Once he completes those, the community service hours will be deemed satisfied. There should be 90 sober meetings in 90 days. Field visits, one time per month. When's the last time you had employment?
Uh, 2023.
So how you been supporting yourself?
Our jobs are already.
All right, so we're not going to do under the table in here, all right? So
I have a job waiting for me as soon as I get out of here.
there's
I'm working for the Bar Steakhouse.
This right here is courtroom wisdom. Probation isn't just about staying out of trouble, it's about staying in touch. Break that communication, and the system will break you.
all right. So proof of employment within 30 days.
Yes, ma'am.
There should be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Probation, is there anything else you need? Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
Ma'am, yeah. Thank you for understanding that.
Okay. Court report is not picking up what you're saying because you're mumbling.
Thank you for everything. Yeah,
All right, you're
I
welcome.
understand.
All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing, to be successful in this court, when you're on probation, communication is key. If there's an issue, let probation know about it. If you feel as though they're not your attorney, did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Mark Anthony Perez who was placed on community supervision in 2024 CR 2594 for the offensive injury to the elderly with bodily injury on May 28, 2024 for a term of 3 years? Is that you? State.
Sean, who's doing, special trouble. The violation commission 2. On or about the 9th day of September 2024. No county taxes. Come, Mark Anthony Perez, who's there, leaving substance, mainly and from one of the violation. Or violation.
To that, how do you plead? True or not true? All right, did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 2, the court could find it true, grant the motion, and sentence you up to 2 years in the prison? Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 2?
Yes, sir.
Court will find violation of condition number 2 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
But there is our school conditions, probation, this will include the arrange of violation. Not drawing on with the contract, depending on.
Thank you, Judge.
And what is that cost number? What is the offer?
Violation.
Well, I mean, I said in the order that there's not to be any contact. So what is confusion? No, I mean, if you were your father, you don't your father. That's what you're on probation for. So I don't know why I should follow your proposed agreement because he's violating the court's orders, and one of the court's orders is no contact.
Yes, Judge.
So,
We've talked about that as well, Judge. I believe it's already been communicated. He's aware of that. And that's actually something he would want to do as well.
no, but when I tell people no contact, I am, yes.
You contact with Mrs. Swan. Oh, feels he needs not.
All right. So I still don't understand what you don't understand what no contact means. Because here's the thing, if you respect your father, then you don't hit your father. Hitting your father is not showing respect to him. And then you come to me and I tell you no contact, and I'm usually very detailed when I say no contact. And I know I was very detailed with you when I said no contact, and you said you understood. So I don't understand why you're disobeying the court's orders.
I was just going
Listen to
through
the
a lot.
frustration in the judge's voice. No contact doesn't mean part-time contact. It means zero. Do you think he genuinely misunderstood, or was he just testing the limits?
Just going through a lot. Still going through a lot.
A lot of what?
Mom was fine.
Okay.
You know, that's everything.
No, and I feel sorry for that's happening to you, but that doesn't equate to contacting somebody that you injure.
Yeah, I believe his mom had a stroke.
Second stroke.
And he said that he was wanted to make sure she was okay and can understand that.
My dad, I was only visiting when my dad was there.
No, they're saying you made contact. So that's what that cause number is about. It's not I'm visiting while my father's at work.
Your Honor, in that case, you know, they will take that into consideration. But if not, we'll go through the proper channels. You're asking him, Dad's asking him to do. So that's all we order.
Well, that's going to be an inpatient help. All right, so it's saying that he's tested positive for meth in the past. So I'm going to deny the motion. Alternate amend conditions. He's going to go to safety, or you can also do a referral to felony drug court, and that's going to be while in custody.
Your Honor, if we decided to revoke probation. Yeah.
Oh, would you like to be revoked? The most I can sentence you to is 2 years. The least I can sentence you to is 2 years.
No, I won't do it.
So what?
Yes, sir.
All right, so the court is going to deny, thank you. The court is going to deny the motion, alternate amend conditions to include mental health evaluation in custody, referral to felony drug court in custody. If he's not accepted in felony drug court, then he's going to safety. And is there anything that you do not understand when I say there's to be no contact?
Yes, sir.
No, do you understand?
Yes, sir.
All right, good luck to you.
All right, I have one question. Sure. On the DDRF, some whole staff on there. She said
28.
With safety and.
Yeah.
So I'll do it in a month to go.
No, not 9 months to go. That's the length of the program.
You say period for the
Finance.
Well, to do my phone.
And there it is. 2 years in state prison. A long fall from probation to lockup. What do you think? Was justice served, or did he deserve another chance? Drop your take below. And don't forget to subscribe for more courtroom breakdowns like this.